Hello and welcome to this video. So today we are going to understand how we can create the equipment in the SAP. So I have added IE01, 02, 03 to the favorite. So this is for create the equipment and 02 for change the equipment and 03 for the display of equipment. And this create equipment. So equipment is the one of the master data in the SAP EAM. In your organization, this authorization for this create and change will be to those user who are responsible to create the master data. Okay, I will execute this and it will ask we will jump to the create equipment initial screen. So equipment category, so this you will have the different kind of equipment installed in your plant, such as machines, utility equipment, calibration equipment. Okay, so we are taking this M for machine, and this is the one of the configuration data, so we will make a separate video on the configuration. I will enter and I will just maintain the description. Glue dispensing machine. Okay, we are going to create for the glue dispensing machine. I will maintain the automatic in this starting. Automatic glue dispensing machine. And this object type, okay, so we will search it and we will take it as a robot. Okay, so this is the robot, and this object type, this is also the configuration data, so we will make the separate video. Okay, so these all are the configuration. We have maintained the authorization group. Okay, weight I will maintain 500 kg, and I don't want to maintain any acquisition value. And manufacturer, suppose AHL Infratech. So this is one of the manufacturer. Manufacturing country India. Model number AS01. Construction year to 2015-01. Manufacturer part number AST 2025 I will maintain, and serial number I will maintain randomly. Okay. Go to this location tab. Maintenance plant room. I will search the plant section. So I have maintained this D01, one of the plant section. So this is also one of the configurations. So we will uh, make the video in the future. Okay, work center. Okay, so this work center will be the production work center. Okay, so I don't have the production work center, so I will choose this mechanical. Okay, but in the actual, so this is the production work center. This is not the maintenance work center. Maintenance work center we will find in the organization tab. Okay, so this is the maintenance work center. Okay, and if you have any asset number for this, so you will maintain the asset number. Okay, some random asset number I have choose, and cost center. Cost center, so I have taken the cost center. Planner group T01. So this also coming from the configuration, we will see in the future. I will make the separate video. Okay, and the maintenance work center you will maintain in this. Okay, I will search for the maintenance work center which I have already created. Okay, so I have already made a separate video how to create this work center. Okay, if you are interested you can check that. Okay, and catalog profile, I have created ttr catalog profile. So when you create the order, suppose if you use this equipment number in the future and you create order. Okay, so different cause group. Okay, so you will get from the catalog profile. Okay, in the future I will make the separate video, and I will go to this structure. Wait some time, it is taking a longer time. Okay, so I haven't created the asset. That's why it is not allowing. Okay, so if you have created the asset, you can maintain. I will remove it and I will go to the structure. Okay, and you will enter. Uh, Click on this change installation location. Okay, so and you will search for your function location which are created in your plant. So I am going to install this in the TTRL hyphen 1806 and 1000 in the tube farming shop. I am going to install this machine. Okay, and if you have any warranty related data, so you can maintain the warranty data here. Okay, and you will if you are having the vendor warranty, so you can maintain here. Okay, if you this particular equipment is in warranty and you will try to create the breakdown notification on this particular equipment, so during the creation, so it will give you pop up. Okay, it will give you the pop up like this machine is under warranty. Okay, so for now I will not maintain it. And if you want to maintain any partner for this, like if you have any vendor person responsible, okay, so you can maintain from here. You can choose like vendor. Okay, and you will give the vendor. Okay, so and you can also assign the responsible person. Suppose any internal person you want to assign. Okay, so you can maintain here. Okay, you can maintain the personal number here. Okay, for now I don't have configured the HRMS, that's why I'm not able to maintain this. Okay, I will just let it go. Will try to maintain my name. If it take, I think it will not take. Okay, and I will just save it. So I have created this particular equipment 1 4 times 0298. Okay, and go to the IE03. Okay, so this equipment is now created. Okay, and we can use this for the further for the order and in the maintenance planning. Okay, I will execute IS01 and function location TTRL. I will execute and equipment install. I will execute it and expand the whole. Wait for some time. Okay, so this automatic glue dispensing machine which is installed in this tube forming shop. So this 1 4 times 0 298, this we have just created. Okay, and we will try to create one notification for it. Okay, IE01 and this Z1 type notification I will try to create. So this Z1 type is I have created the customized notification type, so I am going to make the video in the future. Okay, and I will search for the equipment. I will give my maintenance plant. Okay, and 298 is the 298 is the my equipment number. Okay, so the automatic glue dispensing machine. Okay, I will just enter it, and it is saying catalog profile copied from the equipment. Okay, so if you remember the catalog profile, so this damage part cause, so these cause and cause text we get from the catalog profile. Okay, I will go to this TTRL, and okay, so these are the cause and cause group which are I have created. Okay, so we will make a separate video on that particular topic, and I will just save it to check it whether we are able to create. Okay, so we have created one notification for that particular equipment. Okay, I hope you understand how we created the uh, equipment in the SAP system. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and support me. Thank you.